Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FCEL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link, so if you go there, I'll explain in detail. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very, very nice movement today when you stop and think about the fact that just on Thursday morning, the price was down there. Now all of a sudden, Friday and the week is over and the price is all the way up there. Any rational person would say, yeah, that's been a very, very nice bounce. But that does lead to the valid question now going into next week of, but is there any sort of true power behind this bounce? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type price movement? I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make mapping out that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around this area down here at 24.5 cents. Why is 24.5 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 24. If the price were to go down to 24.5 and then continue on down, what would that be doing? Well, from a very literal perspective, that would quite literally be putting the price right back inside of that range of the chart that it just broke out of today. And again, going back, not exactly a sign of true strength. Whereas on the flip side of things, if the price were to come down here, behave in this manner, and then start to work its way back upwards, now all of a sudden what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, quote unquote progress, again, being defined as 24.5 cents. What about areas of resistance headed into next week? Initial area, nothing fancy or complicated other than the fact of where the party stopped on repeated times today, and that's right up there, right around the 26.5 cent mark. If 26.5 can be broken, though, next key overall level to watch would be right up there at those highs, which sit at the 28 cent mark. So 26.5 and then 28, next two key battlegrounds going into next week. All in all, though, anyway, look at it. Very nice bounce today. Not just a question of can the price build upon this momentum next week? Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.